Good morning. Your objective is on the board, and there's a place for you to write it down in your beginning of your packet. But for today, or I guess today our objective is that we are going to be building an equation from a line. We have had some practice with this already, but just to really solidify it, first we're going to write down our points in our table. This time we're going to actually start with some negative points too. So I'm going to change number 3. We're going to change number 3 to -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. The reason for this is that it's nice to have some negative numbers in there to see what the graph is doing before the 0. Up to you whether you want to switch it for your other your independent work or not. So -2, 2, 1, 2, 3, -2, -3. That's this point right there. -1, -1, 0, 1, 1, 3, and 2, 5. So we can look for slope a couple of places. I'm going to look on a graph just because I think it's easier. So from one point to the other, we're jumping 2. So our rise is 2, and our run, I guess I should put the equal sign in the middle, is 1. Now remember, we're going positive in both directions, so it's +2 and +1. We could also do it going backwards, and we'll find that we have the same thing. Down 2 is -2, and backwards 1 is -1. And a negative divided by negative is just still a +2. So my slope is 2. Y-intercept is where it crosses this line right here, or where x is equal to 0. So 1, and I can see here it's also 1. So my equation is y equals 2x plus, gosh, I am not doing good at drawing today, y equals 2x plus 1. Now if the line was leaning, for example, this way, you would have a negative slope because it's going down as we go forward. If this line started way up here, you would have a different y-intercept. It would start way up here. We know that this pattern is linear and that it's ascending. It's going up, positive slope. So make sure to use your rise over run. Make sure to look for your y-intercept on the graph and in your table. And that's all I got. Have fun.